Acholi music is on fire, and today we are diving into one of the hottest dancehall moments in northern Uganda music right now. Two giants, two voices, one title, and a whole lot of buzz. Bosmic Otim versus Odong Romeo, both dropping massive tracks called OPANGANG, meaning we are the greatest. But whose version truly claims the crown? Let's talk Bosmic Otim first, a legendary voice in northern Uganda. His version of Opangang is full of fire, pride, and a dancehall punch. Bosmic is never shy with his words. He carries the spirit of activism, and you feel the energy in every verse. His beat, tradition meets modern. His delivery, powerful and raw. You know it's Bosmic Otim when the chorus hits hard like a battle cry. Now, flip the mic to Odong Romeo, the stylish, lyrical, gospel music machine. Romeo's Opangang is smooth, catchy, and crafted for the dance floor. His flow is different. He is not yelling, he's floating. The production, clean, modern, with a nice balance between dancehall and acholi rhythm. And that's a hook, stuck in your head all day. Both artists are shouting, "We are the greatest," but from totally different stages. Bosmic sounds like a freedom fighter. Romeo sounds like a cultural ambassador. One brings the heat of revolution, the other brings the soul of celebration. Is it Bosmic's boldness or Romeo's rhythm? Drop a comment below. Who wore the crown on the Opangang song? And if you haven't heard both songs yet, what are you waiting for? Go for streams, support Northern Uganda music, and let's celebrate our greatest artists together. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Twa, and this is Into Deep Promotions.